The Oceanography 443 course, which is Oceanographic Field and Laboratory Methods, is a class where students learn how to collect all of the oceanographic parameters that we collect that are kind of our standard suite of ocean measurements. I take them down to Galveston 2 times a year where they learn how to actually collect the samples in the field, and then we bring that water back up here in College Station and they actually get to process those samples using standard oceanographic equipment. And actually they're contributing to this larger data set that we have, which is a longer term time series in Galveston Bay. So they're able to help drive that research mission forward through this class. They learn everything from the beginning of cruise planning all the way to the very end of cruise planning, where they're writing a data report. Going to sea is something that I don't think AI can ever replace. Just getting your hands wet and your feet wet is a great way for students to actually see what they're learning in the classroom and actually connecting it to the real world. I think it's such a privilege and a pleasure that I get to see them have these exciting moments where they're excited to be out there, they're excited to be collecting data. You can tell that oceanography is like meant for them.
There's a lot of things that they experience out there. The conditions are never what you expect in the ocean, so they are able to work under pressure. They are able to collect all of these samples while the boat is moving, which can be complicated sometimes. And yeah, they're able to apply everything that they learned in the classroom. I believe the best approach to mentoring them is just guiding them through the process entirely. And if they feel like they have any questions, I hope they feel comfortable in coming to me and just making sure they're doing everything safely, because their safety comes first before any sample that we collect.
What excites me most about our oceanography program here in College Station is we finally have the opportunity to work with undergraduates in what I feel is a really meaningful way. I watch them grow into this confidence and being confident at sea, confident in their abilities to be able to work in these teams. And it's an environment that's not the same as a classroom. And so they're learning to work and live and thrive in this setting that is not our norm.